Welcome back! Here we are, Project I Want to Live, week 29, 30, 31. I'm Vanna.
I'm Melissa.
And we have some things to update you guys on. Don't think we forgot, because we didn't. There's just been things that have been happening and whatever.
Sometimes life just happens. You have to
people
live
go on vacation and stuff.
Yeah.
You know, Cancun, paradise, all that kind of stuff.
And people go through sad things. But we're back.
Yes, we're back. So we want to start off. We need to know, how was paradise? How was Cancun? Because I was here.
I know. Sorry.
It's okay. I'm over it. Anyways, so tell me, how are you eating? How are you working out? Did you forget about all this? How was it? Like, come on, let us know, please.
Well, my tan is fading. I'm so sad. But Mexico was amazing. I had an absolute blast. When I got there, a part of me was so nervous, and I'm sure people that I went with can testify to that. I was like a psycho. Oh my God, I gotta be careful what I eat. I gotta be this, I gotta be that. So this trip, I was really conscious of what I was eating, what I was doing. But yeah, at the same time, I let loose and I did have a little fun. I wasn't super strict. I didn't like starve myself. I ate at the buffets. I ate some bread in the beginning. I ate some rice, things that I normally don't eat. I had a little bit of dessert. But the difference is I had a little bit versus me usually having a lot. And I gave myself a rule at the buffet. I said only one time. The whole trip I said when I go to the buffets, because when you go to these all-inclusive resorts, there's just buffets everywhere. Every dessert everywhere, food everywhere. I said one time, you go around the buffet once and that's it. And I stuck to that the entire time. I worked out 5 times on vacation. So even when I had some dessert and I ate a little bit more freely, I drank a little bit too much, I still worked out to compensate all that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, we have some footage for you guys towards the end of the video today, so stay tuned for that. Got to give you a little preview of what was going on, some fun things, beautiful pictures, and all of that. So the next thing that we want to talk about is we're very excited because we have a little extension, as we call it, of Project I Want to Live.
Yes, we do.
Very exciting because Melissa's sister-in-law, and cousin, Annie, Belinda, and Sarah, you know who you are.
And Jessica.
And Jessica.
Jessica.
Yes. Annie and Belinda's friend.
Yes.
Yes.
And Jessica. Can't forget
about
Jessica.
her. No. So they have decided to take control of their health. They're working out. They're on the challenge. They're just doing everything. And it's really cool because we have this group chat, all of us together. And, you know, in the mornings, it's like, you know, me and Melissa will do our thing. Like, we'll, like, comment and things like that. But Belinda's over there like, good morning, ladies. You know, just sending all these things. So it's really cool just to see that, you know, what we're doing is reaching out to other people and like firsthand we're engaging with them. And, you know, I feel that it's even more powerful than what Melissa and I are doing because, you know, as a partnership, as like her and I working together, it's great because, you know, you have one another. But I feel that when you have a group of people doing it together, you have that whole buddy system. Yes. It's a lot stronger. You know, it's like, you let yourself down, then you let your friend down. Yeah. But then you have a whole group of girls together, and it's not just, you know, it doesn't have to be just girls, of course. But right now, that's just what it is.
Yeah.
So it's just a lot more powerful, like I said, and I'm really excited. This really inspires me so much, and I'm very, very, very happy, and I wish all of you girls so much luck. It's just amazing.
It definitely melts my heart. I was telling Van, I'm like, I'm always crying. Oh, my God. But... you know, these are some, like, you guys that watch, these are some people that are the closest people to me intimately that I've known, like, my whole life, or even if I met them recently, like Jessica, but people that are really close to me that have watched me from day one, me and Vanna, Project I Want to Live, our first video when I wanted to throw up, and they saw all the changes that we made, and now it inspired them to change their life. So what we're doing, it just shows that it works. Project I Want to Live. We all want to have a great life, and this is just the beginning, and I'm so excited to hear more stories from you and other people that are inspired by our whole concept of Project I Want to Live as well.
Absolutely. So other than that, we do have an update on the weight because, you know, we did say Melissa was on her best behavior on her trip. But it also shows, too, instead of putting on pounds or staying the same, she lost 1 pound during her vacation.
I did.
And she lost another pound the following week.
Yes.
And that was also on her menstrual cycle. So what are we now? 7
months, yeah.
7 months. Got it every month.
Yep.
We're on a roll.
If you're just tuning in, because I have PCOS, I never got my menstrual cycle. And that was a big part of my not losing weight. But since we've changed, 7 months, I've got my menstrual cycle. On vacation, I lost 1 pound. So we are total now what? 30 pounds
down! Yeah. We have, one day you'll see this dance that we do. It's really interesting.
When we reach 100 pounds, we'll do the dance for you.
Yeah, exactly. We'll get up and do it.
Yeah.
But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed everything. Stay tuned for our pics and vids for you. And we'll be back next week.
Bye.
Bye.
Focus. Even in Cancun.